E for MarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. And then we're wrapping up the second hour on Thursday, the 21st of May, 2020. All right, this is what I said was the only chart that we need, unless we take out the high or the low, to look at an inside range day. And first trades work great for the morning to close the gaps. We said paid for sure. We get a lot of news today. Don't squander your profits. Then we get a very soft pullback and chopping around, and then we start to get a news event that comes back, and we said if we can break that 58, it will turn things around and open up the bottom boxes, right, from here to here to anywhere back in here to the bottom of this range. If we break this, then we said we open up the door to the 60 back, which would give us roughly a 40-point trade off of the highs. And that has been done. So this is the 4, 5, 6 that we have taught forever. And once we get this break, and we get IB traders that get caught, and we get the bounce in 58 holes, just like when we talked this morning. Now it's coming back the other way. So primary target should be, once we break this overnight low, is to get to this next low down here, this 33 to say 34 area. And if you can get that, you should be paid for sure. And this is where we would recommend on a trade like this that you obviously get paid coming into that symmetry middle. That's your first objective, because you can't count on this. This is trailer. Win with a trailer here. And again, still thinking relatively neutral, because all we've got right now is an inside day. And theoretically, this 58 zone 62, that needs to hold to give the shorts an edge. If not, then we're back to just longs have still defended the inside day on a 60 back. Good trade, but still not damaging. So I think much more neutral that we broke this middle and have come down here. And certainly with the morning ending, I think day traders will take some profits, and primary trade should be ending fairly soon, meaning the morning trade. So next support, obviously we have said all along that this is where the launch started yesterday, and that is support in here. So kind of a key idea right here to hold and see if they rebuy. If not, this 25 is the next key. And if that goes, don't forget, we've got a gap down here. So a lot of time left in the day, but my suggestion, you know me, conservative, if you've got into the 4, 5, 6 trade, paid for sure. Longs had the edge early for the gap close, and then we've had a reversal. So from on the day's range, we now have a high to low. So technically a bounce can get hit, but I would not go crazy. And if you've been blessed with some profits already, be very careful about deploying them. You know, give the market a little time to consolidate, which means bounce a little bit. I hope you had a good morning. I'll catch you in the Slack room. And certainly today was an interesting day. A lot of traders thought off to the races and have gotten beat probably a couple of times. But again, this is not about being a cheerleader. This is about taking something out of the swings in the market. All right, catch you in a little bit.